Why do 80% of the world's sinkholes appear without warning? One city in Guatemala found out the hard way. Their entire intersection vanished in a single night. A 60-foot wide sinkhole suddenly tore open in Guatemala City, devouring an intersection and everything on it. Scientists say these monsters form when underground water erodes rock fast. But here's the twist. Local legends whisper these holes are gateways to another world. Earth hides stranger secrets than you think. Ready for more?